and girls. My name is Amy Connolly, and I teach kindergarten at Holiday Elementary. Today, we're going to be learning about some words that are called adjectives. And we use adjectives when we describe nouns. Now, adjectives describe the location, size, and color and shape of nouns. Now, if you forgot what a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So, when you're thinking about that, if you're trying to describe a person, a place, or a thing, you're going to use adjectives. Now, the reason why we use adjectives, we use them when we're speaking to help a person understand what we're saying, to try to describe things. Or we also use adjectives in our writing to help people get a clearer understanding of what it is we're trying to say. They help make our stories way more interesting. So on my chart back here, I have this big word up here. It says adjectives. And if you forgot, adjectives are words that describe. And then I have some pictures and some things up here. So this picture right here is the sun. And if I wanted to add some adjectives or some words that describe the sun, I might put the word hot or yellow. If I wanted to describe this cupcake, I might use the word yummy, good, and tasty. Those are some good adjectives. If I have this boy here, I might describe him as small or little. These numbers right here, numbers are adjectives. Here's 4 and 7. Now this picture right here is a kitty, and if anybody knows Miss Connolly, they know I have a kitty, and I would describe my kitty as orange, cute, and fuzzy. Now, something we're going to do today, boys and girls, to help us understand adjectives, are we're going to describe something yummy and tasty, and that is a marshmallow. So this word down here is marshmallows. So here are some marshmallows. Now, I found some different marshmallows so we could describe them. So here's our regular marshmallows. Now here are some tiny ones. Now remember, if you're trying to use adjectives, you're thinking about the size. So these, you might say, are little or tiny. So I'm going to write that over here. Tiny, little, or small. But then if you see these marshmallows, they say it right on the back. These are jumbo marshmallows. Jumbo is a great adjective to describe something that might be big or huge. That's telling us the size. What color are our marshmallows? Can you see the color of our marshmallows? The colors of our marshmallows are white. But guess what, boys and girls? Miss Connolly found some colored marshmallows. Look at the colors. What other colors do you see? These marshmallows are pink and yellow and green and blue. So I'm going to write those adjectives on my chart also. Because colors are adjectives as well. Now, what are some other words we can use to describe our marshmallows? Look at that. Our marshmallows are, look, they're puffy, aren't they? They look also kind of fluffy. So we could say our marshmallows are puffy and fluffy, and I bet you they're sweet. So these are lots of words, lots of adjectives to describe our marshmallows. We have puffy and fluffy and tiny and little and small, jumbo and big and huge, sweet, pink, white, green, blue, and yellow. Because remember, adjectives are words that describe the color, size, shape, and location of something, just like we did with our marshmallows. Now I have a little song for you to try to help you remember adjectives. Are you ready? It's describe, describe, describe a noun using adjectives. Color, number, size, and shape can tell about a noun. Describe, describe, describe a noun using adjectives. Color, words like green and blue can tell about a noun. Describe, describe, describe a noun using adjectives. Color, number, size, and shape can tell about a noun. So remember, boys and girls, to use adjectives when you're speaking and to use it when you're writing to describe people, places, and things. This helps put a picture in people's heads and really gives them an idea of what somebody's talking about. Because remember, adjectives are words that describe the location, size, color, and shape of something. Now, boys and girls, I have a challenge for you. I want to see if you remember what an adjective is. So what I want you to do is find something in your home. It can be your favorite toy, your pet, a stuffed animal, maybe even a food, like we did marshmallows. Then I want you to describe it using as many adjectives as you can to somebody in your home. It could be your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother. Now remember, adjectives are words that describe the location, the size, the color, and shape. Okay? So go ahead and do that. And remember, have fun. Bye.